Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to array. We can go to parametric body, and to array we can use these two options, linear patterns and also polar pattern. So you can create new sketch. For example, in this top plane, draw rectangle and click Path Tools to convert into 3D. And the second, I will create again circle in the top face and use Path Tools to convert into 3D. Now, if you want to array, you can click this first for the linear patterns and maybe select into the body. So we need to use this transform body to array the body, and you can set for the mode, like I will choose the spacing and like into 70 for the distance between the items, and for number of items you can click here like into 4, and for another direction check in this direction too, change for axis like into y axis, and length like 50 for a number of items like into 3. So also don't forget to change mode into spacing, so distance between object 50. Click OK to apply. So you can array the body with these linear tools. How about to array the feature? So I will undo here. For the feature, you can click against the linear patterns and use tool shape transforms. Click add feature. Okay, you can click the cylinder objects. Okay, and for length is spacing and distance between spacing 10 point. For item, you can click here. And to add another direction, you can change to spacing, length 10 point, and a curve for items, y-axis, items into 2, and click OK to apply. So that's it, how to array for the feature. The next, for the polar patterns, we need to create for the center line. So you can click a body and we create new sketch. I will choose these planes to create the center line. Use the line tools. Click close. And the next, click the polar patterns. So you can choose the body, and for the axis, select reference, and then you can click the lines for the center axis. And you can change for the number of item here. So this is for the transform body. Also same, if you want to transform tool shape, you can set first for the line axis in the body. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to array.